C.o.C guy here in the roof doing inspection on the cables and conductors. There's a cable coming from a pipe. It's not illegal to have open wiring, but here it goes into a round box. So then you get all of these conductors here. So there's a termination here, so we can say this termination is or the weight of the cable is hanging on the termination here, because look there, this needs to be glanded in a round box. Here's another round box, but there's no glands on there. The purpose for a round box is to hold the cable here so it's not hanging on its weight or pulling on its weight. When someone pulls this cable, it doesn't pull this. Okay, there we got another indication of a fault. There's a live conductor with a neutral conductor joined together, probably again a return. Earths just twisted together. Look how short this earth is here for this conductor. Okay, so they tried to get it done right, but they did not succeed 100% in doing it according to the regulation. Here, I'm going to open up here quickly to have a look what's happening inside this box, so we can be sure the terminations inside here is done properly. I'm not going to see, look at all those conductors on one termination. Quite hectic. Earths again, just twisted together, cut to short. Look how close those are together. Now I have to try and close this thing again with the way it was. Look how it's pushing out the box. Okay, so this is once again not according to the regulation. We will inform the client about the faults and what we would need to do in order to repair, and then we can go from there, because there is quite a bit of faulty components, faulty installation methods basically. And there's the rest of the cables. What I find interesting is here's a cable that's taped close. The cable is running here and going there. So someone did make it a live conductor, but look at the terminations there. It's hectic. It's crazy stuff. Look how crazy that is. Now, what's going on here? There's conductors not even used. Alright, there's a quick 3-minute video of what can be wrong inside the roof with conductors. Okay, here's some more terminations that you can look at. Cables coming in, cable joining, wrong colors again. The same story over and over. Something that we would need to rectify. There's another cable that's not properly connected, doesn't have a round box on. Here's more. There's another cable that side. Let me just have a closer look at what's going on there. Okay, we are closer, we see closer what's happening here. There's this cable, it's very small, it looks like a 1.5 cable or a 1mm cable connected to a 2.5 cable. But look at the terminations, look at the conduit been broken off. Section 6 sign says you're not allowed to make an opening in a conduit and have cables exit the conduit. And all joints and terminations must be done in a form of inspection box or inspection type. Unless it's permanent, then it needs to be permanently sealed, which is not the case happening here. So theoretically, what needs to happen, this conduit needs to be cut off, the conductors need to be cut off, round boxes need to be installed, a 3-way preferably, to join the two conduits together, and then bring in this cable into the mix. But I don't see any earths here, so that tells me there's no earth at the light. Thank you for watching another episode of the C.o.C guy. If you find value in the content, please like, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, you are welcome to add comments of videos you want to see, compliances that you want to understand. In the future, I will be discussing science regulations and compliance aspects that you don't easily find out there. So please stay tuned and let's make South Africa safe again. And once again, thank you for watching my content.